Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and create a custom GPT in ChatGPT. Okay? Really easy and simple. Just come here and click on Explore GPTs. And then here at the top right, you'll see this option that says Create. Click on this option right here. And now we are able to create a custom GPT. And in this Create tab, you can basically message the GPT builder to help you build a new GPT. Okay, you can say something like, make a creative who helps generate visuals for new products, or, make a software engineer who helps format my code. So go ahead and plug this one in and then message the GPT Create section. Okay, now it is currently updating a GPT for us. There we go. Now this is what ChatGPT has come up with so far. And it has basically set up our GPT as a creative product visualizer. This is the name. And it seems like it has understood what I wanted it to do. And I was asking if this name works for me or if I would like to tweak it, right? And you can see here at the right, it also gives me a preview right here with some options, right? Some preset options I can go ahead and use. And if I come here and click on the configure tab, I can basically set the name, the description of my GPT, right? Instructions, conversation starters. And if I want, I can upload files under knowledge. And this can help it to train some data. I can add some capabilities if I want. So this one is allowed to do web search, canvas, and DALL-E image generation, which is quite important for what I am trying to achieve here. And then, so we'll come back here. And then if you want, you can, try it out right here on the preview section. Just test out the GPT. So let's see what it is currently doing. So it is generating a concept sketch. So this is the concept, and now it is trying to generate a visual sketch right here based on the description. Let's see what visuals. Okay, here we go. Let's see. That looks nice. That looks nice. For my new tech gadget is a smart wearable assistant. Actually looks nice as a concept. And then when you're happy with this, you can just come here, click on create, and then you can share this GPT, right? Shows your name, right? You can share with only me or anyone with a link, or you can even add this to the GPT store and go ahead and click on save, right? Really that easy and simple. Just keep tweaking it, discuss with ChatGPT, and you can get really, really nice results. There we go. Really that easy and simple.